Someone like you only comes around about once in a week. Somebody like you, a certain someone I can sit and speak to. And friends just like you only come around about once every couple of years. A friend just like you, a certain someone to exchange my laughs and tears with, and all day long I search and there you perch just awaiting to be found. I've searched so far and here you are just watching me stumble around. A lover like you only comes around about once in a lifetime. Somebody like you, a friend who's quite true, a lover who knows no bounds. You don't show up often, so I really like to keep you around. So